1,000 feet. Tell us that in a moment.
1,000.
Yep. So across the top of the artificial horizon, it says that it's got speed mode, wide slope localizer, and it's in Cat 3 dual autopilots with autopilot 1 and 2 auto thrust. Flight versions. So everything is running normally. Either side of the runway you can see those sets of lights. There's actually 2 reds and 2 whites either side of the runway.
500.
And that tells us that we're on the correct visual approach path as well as the instrument indicator. So now it's gone land green to show us that it's now capable of landing properly. It's aiming at those big paint marks on the runway, 1,000 feet.
100.
There's 100 feet.
50.
So it's going to
40.
pull the nose up,
30. 20. 10. Retard.
pull the power off.
Retard. 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 Retard.
Yeah. And now if you pull up on the reverse thrust, just in front of it, pull it all the way up. The brakes are stopping us. The reverse thrust is helping out.